PC Interface Overview. The main focus of the PC home screen is music playback. You can import songs to local music via a memory card. You can also listen to music through Bluetooth or UX. Clicking on music takes you to the local music playback interface. Clicking on Bluetooth takes you to the Bluetooth music playback interface. Here you can view the main unit's Bluetooth pairing name and devices. Clicking on AUX takes you to the AUX music playback interface. At the same time, you can click to enter the settings and other applications interface. Swiping left on the main screen brings you to the scene interface. Clicking allows you to control the scenes. Swiping right on the main screen brings you to the settings interface. You can click to control device-related details and settings. Pulling down the interface allows you to control the main unit's volume and screen brightness. You can set up group playback and zone playback, and you can set the volume for each speaker in the zone individually. You can also click to refresh devices. Enter the settings interface. You can configure settings for network display and sound, and you can set the main unit's night mode with the main unit's name and ID and other main unit information. Follow me for more product information.